Hi marketers, welcome back. Today is an exciting day. We're going to pop in and show you how to run ads for Facebook and Instagram using Facebook Ad Manager. You might have already gone through before in life and created ads either using Instagram or perhaps using Facebook's boosted post feature. This is a more precise way to go in and create ads, and there's more features available within Ad Manager than either of those two other tools. What's really neat as well too is we can go through and use all of these different features for targeting to be really precise with who it is as you're going to see the ads you create. The whole benefit and joy of social media advertising is you can be super precise, hyper targeted in terms of who actually gets to see your content. When you create TV ads or billboards, they basically go out to an entire large section of the population. It's obviously much better to be able to go through and only have certain types of people, the ones who are most interested in your product or service, seeing your ad. So the whole goal is to reduce what they call wasted coverage. People who are not going to be excited by your particular ad, seeing it. And so we're going to take a look by going in and looking at these different tools and features that you can use to really reduce your wasted coverage and really increase the ROI of your particular ad spend. So let's dive in. The easiest way to get into Facebook Ad Manager, assuming you've already set it up with your client, is to go to facebook.com/adsmanager. Super easy, and the only other thing to check is to make sure you have the right account selected in this top left-hand corner. Once you've done that, you'll see here in this window any ads that your client might have been running before, or maybe ones you've run before as well in this account. When you want to create an ad, you're going to click on this big green button here that says Create. Pretty straightforward. When we do that, it's going to pull up a feature where we have a selection of different types of ads to choose from. If you see something different, it might be because you're in quick creation. So if you see this window, what you want to do is quickly switch by clicking here to go to Switch to Guided Creation. What this will do is it'll bring you back to this more detailed way of going through and creating an ad. The first thing that you're asked here when setting up an ad is whether or not your ad relates to any particular special topics or issues. If it does, such as credit or employment or social issues, you want to select that here so your ad isn't flagged later and then deleted or held back by Facebook. Down here below, we've got a whole bunch of different types of ads you can run on Facebook. What you'll notice is that they're arranged here in terms of awareness, consideration, and then also conversion or sales. So these nicely map on to that consumer decision-making journey we spoke about before. We're going to see here under awareness, we've got brand awareness and reach, two different types of ads there. Under consideration, we've got traffic, engagement, installing apps, video views, lead generation, and then getting messages. And then under conversions, we've got sales, conversions, catalog sales, and then store traffic. One thing to note which is really helpful is that beside each little type of ad, you have a little eye symbol here. This gives you more information on what that particular ad does and when you might want to use it. The easiest way to know if an ad is appropriate for whatever it is you're trying to achieve is to see how well, the general category, awareness, consideration, so thinking about or, deepening your knowledge of something, and conversion or sales map onto the consumer decision-making journey. What is it that you're trying to achieve with the particular ad?